Almost all adhesives manufactured on Earth are petroleum-based synthetic polymers. So, manufacturing workers, consumers, and the environment are exposed to risk and pollution. Therefore, we develop the bio-adhesives by reacting and synthesizing only natural polymers based on nature for the environment and human safety. Our adhesive is biodegradable and innocuous to all natural environment such as soil, animal, fish, freshwater algae, even water flea. Linkflix adhesive, which has never existed in the world before, is awaiting you. We are Linkflix.